Alright, so there is an interesting and quite fun AI prompt that you can try on Gemini's Nano Banana. Basically, you can turn anything from a photo into a 3D hologram in just a few seconds. And the prompt is quite simple. Just tell Gemini that you want to turn the object in the photo into a 3D transparent line art hologram, and after that Gemini will try to recreate what's behind the object and make it transparent and turn the object into a sort of line art hologram in just a few seconds. So this prompt is quite simple and you can apply it to a lot of pictures, but I actually improved the prompt a bit because so far this simple prompt is kind of not consistent and sometimes the result is kind of mixed. So I improved the prompt a bit. And in the new prompt, you can actually specify the color of the hologram, and also you can specify what is the object that you want to turn into hologram. So you are not relying on AI to choose randomly the main object of the photo. So let me show you how you can use the new prompt in Gemini Nano Banana. I'm going to start a new thread in Gemini, and for this example, I guess I'm going to be using this object, which is a 3D figurine of the Matrix. I think that's quite a appropriate object to test. I'm going to copy it and let's paste that into Gemini. Now, after the picture has been uploaded, you can insert this prompt. So it's a bit longer, but it allows you to modify a few things. Let me just copy it. And by the way, the prompt is available in the video description down below. Let me just paste that. And here you can specify what is the object. In this case, I'm going to tell Gemini that the main object is the figurine, and after that you can specify the color of the hologram. So usually hologram is being depicted as a blue glow, but you can change the color into green, red, yellow, orange, purple. It's up to you. And here I guess I'm going to change the color to, let's say, green, which is again the color theme of the Matrix movie. And after that, click tools, create images, and just send a message. So this prompt is a bit better, I gotta say, but it is not perfect. My biggest problem so far is actually making the object to be fully transparent. It is just so difficult to achieve no matter how hard I tell Gemini to make the object to be transparent. So the closest I can do is make the object somewhat transparent, and even that it is not quite consistent. So that is the limitation of this prompt, but I think it is better than the basic one. Now let's go back to the main thread again, and there you go. So this is the result. This is the 3D figurine of the Matrix character in the holographic view. So that's quite interesting. And yeah, that's basically it. Again, the full prompt is available in the video description down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.